The world is not prepared to face a being from another planet. You have to have a lot of patience.
I'm gonna turn the light on. So yeah. Some film. Star. Alright, but I'll be doing like a Grace look. So you're interested, I'm gonna be doing part 2. Or whatever. You already know what to do. Bam. Alright, baby girl, so I did a crazy look. I was on live when I was doing this look. So we're gonna take it off. You know what? Let me show you guys really quick how I did it. It's very fast look to do anyways. So I'm gonna start off. So I'm gonna show you guys really quick how I did it. So I mixed it with some black. And I just went around my lip. Just like that. Okay, and then I'm gonna mix it with some red. And then some purple. And I'm just going to mix it with a little bit of red. Okay, and some black. Alright. So just like that. It's very fast and easy. And then I have some of this right here. And then I have a little bit of water. A little water cap right here. So I'm going to dip it with a little bit of water and just stick a little bit. And then I'm just going to put it right here. And then just... I want to put it on my lip just to make it look like my lip is beat up. And my finger, and just go around. You could use a lipstick, or you could use some blood, but I'm just gonna do this really fast because my friend is hitting me up to go hang out really quick. I'm just gonna do it like this. Bam. So there you go. Very fast, easy. Bam. Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. And if you guys want me to do any specific look, please let me know down in the comment. And that'll be good for me, more practice for me, because I don't really do much of body paint, but more practice is what I like. So that'll be cool if you guys be like, do like a Barbie look, do this, do that, and I'll be doing some crazy look. Let's see how it comes out, so I can challenge for myself. Oh, alright, I'll call you guys right. I got the hiccups. I did a crazy look for you guys. Bam. So I'm gonna be taking it off. How I did it. But yeah, see. Bam. Crazy look. So I did like a burn look over here, and like if I got my lips beat up, and then my nose, and then my forehead. Bam. Yeah. Boo hoo. Bad boochie. Bad boo. Alright, thank you baby girls for watching. Hope you guys like this video. See you guys on the next video. Make sure you guys subscribe to me on my Rambo channel. See you guys next time. Peace out.